Hey, do you think about your future?
Yes, I think about it often.
That's good. What is your dream?
I want to become a teacher someday.
Wow, that's a wonderful dream.
Why do you want to teach?
I like helping people learn things.
That's a very kind reason.
Yes, teaching feels meaningful to me.
What about your future goals?
I want to travel around the world.
Oh, nice. Traveling sounds exciting.
Yes, I want to see many places.
Which place you want to visit first?
I want to visit Japan someday.
Cool. Japan is very beautiful.
Yes, I want to see the culture.
Do you have any other dreams?
Yes, I want to learn guitar too.
Oh, guitar is a beautiful instrument.
Yes, music makes me very happy.
Do you have short-term goals also?
Yes, I want to study daily.
That's great. Small goals help a lot.
Yes, they make big goals easier.
Do your parents support your dreams?
Yes, they support me completely.
That's wonderful. Support feels good.
Yes, it gives confidence and hope.
Do you think dreams change with time?
Yes, sometimes they change slowly.
True. We grow and learn new things.
Yes, life teaches us many lessons.
What is your plan for this year?
I want to improve my English skills.
Nice. You are already learning well.
Thanks, I try every single day.
Do you want to learn anything else?
Yes, maybe drawing or photography.
Oh, both are very fun hobbies.
Yes, I want to try new things.
Okay, I must go study now.
Sure, we talked about great dreams.
Yes, I feel inspired right now.
Me too. Let's work on our goals.
Yes, step by step, every day.
All right, talk to you later.
Sure. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye for now.